सो हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी का फिर से स्वागत सॉरी सो हेलो एवरीवन, टुडे वी यू विल वेलकम इन आवर थर्ड फोर्थ वीडियो एक्चुअल में. सो टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग today's topic that was I don't know, but I am talking about slowly we are going to there. So um, the first thing that was many people have one misconception, that was he only doing English reading, but he all are not trying to speak English, because then I then my the age is very small. जब मैं बहुत छोटा था, then I was thinking that I have to take a coaching. I have to take a coaching because I don't have learned English like that. But then I focus on these. Wait, wait, एक minute. Okay, so I think that the topic that was, we are not talking about only English. We are talking about the what's your time. You are wasting your time in your math. Do you know we have gotten the uh, wait one 2000 250 hours we wasted on our 1 month. Then you are calculate your night. We are calculating one day. What are you doing? First you have a wake up on the 6 to 6 a.m. I was thinking that I'm telling my opinion. You wake up on 6 a.m. and the eating foods, actually breakfast you're done in a 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour, 1.5 hour. And after you are doing your and wait, okay, you have a 24 hours. And then the sleeping time, that was 6 hours, because the 6 hours comfortable for us. So 6 hours going right from here, and get the 18 hours बचे हैं. और 2 hours to breakfast, lunch, and the or dinner. Okay, 2 hours get there, and we have saved the 16 hours. And now we are getting some 2 hours more. Driving a phone, no, we don't have to drive a phone. We have don't use the phone. So we are don't calculate that time. So the time that was at 2 hours your own, so 14 hours you left it. And you are doing some your work, and the work is your 6 hours. Okay, so 14 4 to 8 hours you're saved. What are you doing your 8 hours now? The 8 hours you're saved, the only a one. No. I was think that the I don't know the perfect calculation, because I forget, because I lose that information. So I am sorry that for this information. But the we are wasting our 216 hours per month. So we have to save that. But how can we save that? We are talking about after, because why are you wasting like that? You have to per day. You have to save these hours. Okay, that was a ये मैं एक बहुत बड़ी बात कह रहा हूँ, जो कि दैट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. बिकॉज हमें ये बात समझनी चाहिए that we have to understand this thing, that was very important for us, because we are wasting our 215 hours. And the 215 hours, the not a normal a number, that was a like we are 24 days, like no, that was wait. Okay, so I'm telling you like that you have a 10 days, you're wasting your 10 days. Where are going your 10 days, man? You're wasting your 10 days. You have to save that. So my opinion, you have to do your favorite work, or what, that was a perfect work, that was you have to read books. Because the man is not writing her thoughts in not telling her thoughts in front of men. He was telling her own life experience in a book. So you have to read books and many more books you have, like Think and Grow Rich. That was a great book and I have read it. Yeah, I full book read and I am telling you her 10 rules. 10 rules. Yeah, okay, something bad, uh, something else like that. I am telling you 10 rules in the next video, and you have to read this book and you have think that are you think you're spending your 6 hours only, you have to finish the one work in 6 hours. You have yani ki that means you are in a one day you can fully learned the one book. You have, oh, after you can save the 2 hours, so you can easily learn the one book in. No, you have don't you have to listen learn it, you have to only listen it. Like you are six in a 6 hours you full book read it, actually listen it, because the cuckoo like I am telling you, you have to read it. But the many peoples are doing what they are doing the listening these books, audio, transform in the audio, and after he listen. So that was not perfect because then you have read this, so your pronunciation that was a perfect, make a perfect pronunciation. And there are many things you should do, and whenever your family members seen you, so what are you doing? You are doing reading on book. So that was a great opportunity for you, so you can save your 216 or 214 hours in a full month. Because you are wasting. And I am not calculate this time on my opinion. I bought I don't tell you how can how can I know that the 214 hours, how can I get this knowledge? So I am telling you, then I have get 500 subscribers. After I can tell you how can. And there are many things I am telling you. So now I am going to be telling you, uh, I'm um, coming these types of topic for you. But the peoples are not seeing my videos, because this that was knowledge is not available on YouTube. I was thinking that, my opinion, that was it. The knowledge is not available on YouTube like that. uh, that I have the knowledge, that knowledge is not available on YouTube, on the whole internet. But the many people have this knowledge in a book, but he all are don't showing this knowledge on a internet, because I don't know that reason, but I have this knowledge. How uh, then you are intelligent, so you can understand this thing. Otherwise I am telling you, after my 500 subscribers, well, Abhi, well, that time I have got the 2 subscribers only. What? Don't worry, because I have to trying to perfect my English. I am don't going to be a make my main subscribers. Yep, that was perfect. But so the timing is upping, but I don't have any now topic. So I'm telling you one thing: you have to focus on your. You don't have to waste your time, because that today. And I'm telling you one thing: YouTube, and I was showing my search. I am then I opened the YouTube, so I got the some videos that was, matlab, like their videos is only like that. YouTube is not for you. You don't. You have to start in a 2024, 2024. There are many topics I showing on the YouTube. Then I open the YouTube. These are things uh, uh, हमारे दिमाग को हमारे गोल से हटा रही हैं ये थिंग्स. So you have to focus. You don't have to focus these things. Okay, you have to focus on your goal. And I'm already make the video about you how can you have to focus on your goal. Okay, so these not goals, you have to focus on your goal. I already telling that thing on my previous video. I was think that, yeah, I already upload that. So you have to doing that. and there are many things. The time is up, and I already say, but you don't have to trying to that anything you can speak in English. No, आप कुछ भी बोल रहे हो इंग्लिश में, that was not perfect. You have to check the topic one, and you have to translate in English after you can after you say, after you told your audience on YouTube. And they were YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter, everywhere, anywhere you have to telling you, आपको मन यहाँ कहता है आप वहाँ पे ये चीज़ें बता सकते हो. So I'm showing these some important topics, and I written in a paper after I can telling you this and the. Okay, so I'm trying to this, and thank you for watching and that time, and follow for more.